Yo, what's up guys? I do a vlog back here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day as always. And I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna tell you guys how to like a burp, say a do vlog. And I'm gonna drink this water, say I'm gonna burp. Okay, here we go. I can't, let's start again. Let's do it again.
A deep vlog.
Oh, that is a good one. That's a good one now. Okay, let's do it again.
A deep vlog.
Hey, guys, I can do this. Let me do it one more time, then here we go.
A deep vlog.
What's up? Alright guys, so if you can do this, so I've seen the most YouTubers do this, so okay, I'm gonna drink the water one more last time, then I can do this.
Deep vlog.
Oh my god, oh my god, that's so funny. That's so funny. Okay, let's do it again. Just do it one more time, then I'm gonna end this video. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
A deep vlog.
Wait, do it. I was gonna say, what are you doing? Say, the vlog, what are you doing? Okay, guys, I'm gonna do it one more time, one more last time, then I have to keep doing this.
A deep vlog.
Alright guys, I think I'll have to end this video there. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy this burping challenge competition. So please subscribe to my channel if you're new and turn on my post notifications and we're out. Please like the video and give me a giant thumbs up if you did, and we're out. Peace. Bye.